Eve teasing. A. What is eve teasing? B. Who are the common victims? C. Who are the common eve teasers? D. What are the causes of eve teasing? E. What are its effects? F. What measures should be taken against eve teasing? Eve teasing means teasing the girls in an unfair and indecent way by unruly people causing mental torture to the girls. Eve teasing in recent days has become a great problem for the common people. Most of the time school and college-going girls fall victim to eve teasing. 3 or 4 teenage boys or even more grown-up boys are seen standing at the corner of the road. They wear strange fashionable dresses and long hair. Some of them smoke. When they see any young girl or woman passing by, they pass comments towards them. At this, the girls or women feel very embarrassed and dishonored. Eve teasers do not hesitate to tease the mother of a girl. As a result, the situation has become very difficult for girls. If anyone protests eve teasing, the teasers become violent and threaten the person who protests. They even threaten the girls with death or physical torture. In this regard, it is very difficult to tolerate the situation. Girls are afraid of going out. They even feel insecure about going to schools and colleges. The government has become quite aware of stopping this malpractice. The government has already empowered mobile courts to stop eve teasing. Anyone convicted of harassment or stalking of women will face a year in jail or a fine of about $70 or both. The mobile court has given authority to give punishment to the eve teasers at once. Education Ministry has also initiated with the declaration that June 13th is the Eve Teasing Protection Day, which is encouraged to protect this social evil.